Do you snore or wake up tired, even after a full night's sleep? It might be more than just poor rest. Sleep apnea often shows early signs in your mouth, like teeth grinding, jaw pain, or even a dry mouth. Dentists can spot these warning signs during a routine checkup, and that's why oral health and sleep are closely connected. The good news? Dental appliances can open your airway, reduce snoring, and help you breathe and sleep better. Don't ignore the signs. Your dentist can help you fight sleep apnea and protect your health. Visit EngleImplantDentistry.com to learn how we can help you sleep better and smile brighter.